Here's how you can fix Android Auto when it's not working. So there are a few common fixes for this and I will walk you through them one by one. So first, check your USB cable. A lot of Android Auto issues happen simply because of a faulty or low quality cable. Try a different cable, ideally the one that came with your phone, and make sure it supports data transfer and not just charging. Second, make sure Android Auto is up to date. To ensure this, simply open Google Play Store. Click on the search icon and search for Android Auto. Now, click on Android Auto and if there's an update available, simply tap the update icon. Now, third, clear the cache for the app. Navigate to settings on your mobile phone, go to the search bar and search for apps. Now, click on the search icon at the top and search for Android Auto. Click on it. Now here, you're going to simply scroll down, navigate to storage and click on clear cache just to the right of clear data. Now, if this doesn't work, make sure you click on clear data, click on delete and that could fix your problem. Now, fourth step is checking your connection settings. So navigate to settings and here you're going to choose connected devices. Now, make sure Android Auto has permission to access your phone. So we'll scroll down, click on Android Auto and make sure you have these permissions enabled on Android Auto for it to function correctly. Also make sure you have a connected vehicle and if not, simply click this connect a vehicle and plug in your USB. Now fifth, if you're using it wirelessly, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are both turned on. So scroll down, click on Bluetooth and click on Wi-Fi. Make sure both of them are turned on since wireless Android Auto needs both to connect properly. And if none of that works, try restarting both your phone and your car's infotainment system completely. Then plug back in or reconnect and it should detect Android Auto again. So that's how you fix Android Auto not working. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.